Do you also want to express yourself naturally in English? If yes, so this video is completely belongs to you guys. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you some secret that will help your ability to speak clearly and logically in English. Okay, so recently I have learned that how to express yourself naturally in English when you feel happy. Happy is an expression. If I'm talking about expression, then happy, sad, angry, hungry, it is also called expression. But the thing is that when we got this kind of expression, that time we forget everything. Like, we cannot express our thoughts in English, right? So just I'm going to share with you some tricks that will help you to fix it. Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you doing absolutely great. I'm also very good, guys. And yes, if you're new here, then welcome again to my channel. And yeah, my name is Akansha. So without any further ado, let's jump into the main video. So actually, you know what, guys, being an English learners, we spend hours upon hours studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary, and reviewing tons and tons of expression. But the point is that when it's time come to use it, whatever we have learned from the situation, that time the word just don't come out. Like, we forget everything. Have you ever think why this kind of things happen? Have you ever think? Let me explain you. Is it because we have been learning all these things in separately? So how to fix it? What is the way to fix our problem? So let me tell you guys, when we will begin to learn everything as a group altogether, like vocabulary, idiom, and expression, that is the thing will improve your ability to speak clearly and naturally in English. So without wasting our time, let's have a look like how to express yourself when you feel happy. So here is a word happy. So we will learn to relate this things. The word is being elated. Yes, elated means to be happy. So now we will see 2 or 3 examples that will help you to understand easily. So example number first is, I was elated when I passed the exam. Listen to me carefully. I was elated when I passed the exam. Second, I was recorded his elated reaction and video went viral. I was recorded his elated reaction and video went viral. Let's have a look next an expression, and the expression we will learn that is also relate to is being happy. Happy is jump for joy means to be extremely happy. When we feel happy, sometimes we jump in the air, but not always. It's a figurative an expression. Okay, so let's see an example also. Like, he jumped for joy when he heard his wife got pregnant. Second example, she jumped for joy when she heard that she was getting promotion. Okay, and finally and last we will see the one idiom, and the idiom is also related to being happy, is on cloud 9. So here we also see some examples so that it can help you to easily understand. So example number first is, I was on cloud 9 when I became mother. Example number second, Shiv was on cloud nine when she got a job, right? So now we have no as a group of word like one vocabulary, expression and idiom is all related to being of happy. Okay, so now we will see next trick. Next trick that will also help you to understand. Like here is a one question and you have to answer in English. The question is, were you all happy when you heard the news? Were you all happy after heard the news? Answer in English. Okay, so the answer is yes, 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 I was elated when I heard the news. My little brother was happy too. He jumped for joy. He jumped for joy. Even my father, he also looked like he was on cloud nine. See how am I using all word, idiom and expression in one small para? So this is the trick you have to understand. Okay, so in this way you can learn as a group of word, and if you learn like this, then you can remember for a long time. You don't need to learn everything separately. You know, at the same time you can learn three things: word, expression and idiom, and that will also help your ability to express yourself in English. Okay, so these were the things I just want to share with you. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, keep practicing and keep making video. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video.